Once upon a time in a colorful little town, there lived a cheerful little boy named Timmy. Timmy was known for his boundless curiosity and a smile that could light up even the rainiest of days. Every morning, Timmy would wake up with a sparkle in his eyes, eager to explore the world around him. He had a special backpack filled with treasures he had collected on his adventures, shiny rocks, interesting leaves, and even a feather from a friendly bluebird he had met one sunny day. Timmy had a best friend named Benny, a fluffy brown dog with floppy ears and a wagging tail. Together, they would embark on exciting journeys through the fields and forests near their home. They would chase butterflies, build cozy forts out of sticks, and tell stories to the squirrels that lived in the tall oak tree. Timmy's favorite time of the year was summer because that's when the fireflies would come out to play. He and Benny would catch them in glass jars, creating a magical lantern display in their backyard. But Timmy's adventures weren't just about exploring. He also loved helping others. Whether it was picking up litter in the park or helping his neighbors with their groceries, he always had a kind heart and a helping hand to offer. At night, Timmy would snuggle up in his cozy bed, with Benny at his side, and dream about all the wonderful places they would discover the next day. With his adventurous spirit and a heart full of kindness, Timmy was a little boy who made the world a brighter, happier place for everyone he met.